I am happy to announce that with MicroStrategy 2021 November update, 2 new Python modules are coming to MicroStrategy Workstation and Mysterio libraries. If you want to leverage them in Workstation, navigate to Scripts, click on the little plus button, and in the Mysterio library, you can navigate to Project Objects and both new modules can be found there. You can now work with listing properties of a dossier to as granular level as chapter, page, or even visualization. But not only you can list properties of dossiers and documents or edit them, but you can also work with dossier and document caches, all functions and classes covered within 2 new modules that we are releasing in November. But if you don't feel comfortable creating everything step by step, even with the tooltip that we provide for all of our modules, you can still navigate to Code Snippets section and find code snippets for both documents and dossiers. Leverage the power of Python and start scripting within MicroStrategy Workstation.